Hi, this is Crystal with iChakra's Smart Meditation Center. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite visualizations for the root chakra. So before I teach you the visual, I want to talk a little bit about what a visualization is. A visualization is nothing more than a powerful daydream. We can use our daydreams to manifest our reality. It's law of attraction. The images in your mind, the feelings, the thoughts in your mind create the reality you're in. Now, most of us use that in a very negative way. We think about negative things, our fears, our doubts. We imagine arguments in our minds. That creates a negative vibration and pattern in our life. You could use that same power for the positive, using positive imagery, positive thoughts, positive words. So using that visualization to manifest what you want is very easy. And you never have to worry about your mind getting distracted or other thoughts coming in and out. That is very natural and very, very human. If you're at all worrying about staying in the meditation or staying in the visual, then it's actually counterproductive for you. Just like if you were to sit down on your couch and daydream about something you absolutely love. That is a manifestation right there. And you would never sit there and worry about getting distracted from that daydream. Your mind would flow in and out from the daydream. And if you get distracted, your mind would just flow right back into it. And you would enjoy that moment where you're turning off your mind and letting your creativity flow in that daydream. So that's very similar to what we're going to do today, except I'm going to be guiding the daydream for you. And if your mind takes that daydream, that visualization, and gets creative with it, let it. If your mind flows in and out of the visual and you get distracted, let it. Do nothing with the other thoughts that come in and out of your mind. That's the great part of visuals, is that when you get distracted, you don't have to do a thing about it. You just let your mind flow. So to begin, I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it in like about 3 seconds, but you need to be comfortable with it. And then you're going to exhale through your mouth. And you're going to start the visualization as soon as you're ready. As you breathe in the energy through your nose, red energy is going to flow down from up above, in from the top of your head. And you're going to absorb this energy as you're holding the breath in, all throughout your body. It's going to flow down your spine. As it's flowing down your spine, you're going to feel powerful. You're breathing in power. You're breathing in success from the world, right into your backbone. You're going to feel your backbone strengthen, not only physically, but emotionally as well. Enjoy that feeling. And then when you're ready, exhale through your mouth. And when you exhale, I want it to flow all the way down through your tailbone into the earth and spread and absorb into the earth. Now this is where it's going to create beautiful red roots, like the roots underneath a tree. And those roots are going to grow far and wide. So let's practice. Energy flows in through the top of your head, down your spine. Hold it in. Absorb it. Enjoy that power. Enjoy that strength. And then when you're ready, when you feel you've fully gotten as much as you can out of it, emotionally and physically, exhale it into the ground. And those roots, those red, beautiful roots, are going to grow far and wide. Now, the farther these roots grow, the more success, the more power, the more income, the more stability, focus, control, safety you will have in your life. So you're really going to enjoy watching those roots grow all around you. It feels satisfying. It feels like an accomplishment. So watch those roots grow and again, enjoy the feeling. Keep doing this until the roots feel like they're limitless in the ability to grow. Until they start growing so easily and so wide, they almost feel like they could just cover the whole earth. When you feel this, when you see that limitless type of growth, that's how you know you've truly gotten to the point where you need to be. And you could take another deep breath in, fill up with white light, absorb it, and then exhale the white light and let the white light spread throughout the earth as well. Now, after you've done this visualization, I want you to leave a comment. Let me know how you feel physically, emotionally, spiritually, while you're doing the visualization and after. Leave your comments if you have any questions as well. Love and light.